Welcome to VideoZen, your ultimate solution for creating dynamic video content. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to one of our most powerful features, text-to-video. With text-to-video, you can effortlessly transform your written content into stunning video presentations in just a few simple steps. Let me show you how it works. First, log into your VideoZen account and navigate to the text-to-video feature. Once you're in the text-to-video section, simply paste your written content into the text box provided. This could be anything from blog posts and articles to scripts. Next, select your preferred style and theme from our extensive library of templates. Whether you're aiming for a professional look or something more creative and fun, we have the perfect style for you. Then, customize your video by adding visuals, animations, and transitions to make it truly unique. You can also customize background music and voiceovers to enhance the overall experience. Once you're satisfied with your video, simply preview it to make sure everything looks just right. Then, with the click of a button, you can render and download your masterpiece in high-definition quality. And there you have it, a professional, engaging video created from your written content in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or business owner, text-to-video is the perfect tool to help you stand out in today's digital world. So why wait? Try out text-to-video today and unlock the power of turning your text into captivating visual stories with VideoZen.